Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2013 Honda Goldwing F6B Deluxe model. This bike has just a little over 300 miles on it and is still in brand new condition. So we'll take a walk around it. I'll show you the couple of items that are on it and then we will fire it up for you. This slick looking tour bike has been kept very, very clean. I mean, it hardly has any miles on it. It's got a light smoke Clockworks windscreen. Tires are still in excellent condition. You know, and it comes with all your typical Goldwing goodies. Plus, with this being a deluxe model, it has heated grips, the passenger backrest, and a center stand. So, plus it has the saddlebags. Back tire, excellent condition as well. Like I said, only got 300 miles on it, so. So really the only aftermarket item on it is that Clockworks windscreen. The heated grips and the passenger backrest and the center stand all come with the deluxe model. And there are our miles, 307. This perfect F6B Deluxe will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this cruiser from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.